Hello, my name is Martin, and I'll be going over a ticket heat map proposal for Waze. Story time. So in the Bay Area, whenever somebody wants to go to Santa Cruz, they have to do so by taking Highway 17 to get there. Unfortunately, there's always a police officer waiting at a particular rest stop for anyone who's speeding. People that are not from the area end up getting tickets usually at this particular area. Wouldn't it be great that wouldn't it be great if Waze users had access to this kind of information? Well, today in this presentation, I'll be going over a feature that will help with this. I'll go over Waze's current system, the problem it's facing, the solution, as well a couple variables that come with implementing a feature like this, such as market size, team, cost, and schedule. So what is Waze? Waze is a GPS navigation app that lets users communicate with each other whenever they see anything hazardous found on the road, and it calculates the best route to a destination. The problem Waze is facing is, well, not Waze, but everyone as a whole, is police officers are actively working to give out tickets throughout the month. They're encouraged to do so through a minimum performance standard. In other words, they have a quota they have to meet at the end of the month. As of now, Waze helps users with this by letting them warn each other about police officers found on the road, but that information is short-lived and wasted. My solution is to develop a statistical heat map where users can notify the system whenever they get a ticket, and we'll develop a heat map that shows where most tickets are given. This is how the system will look before and after. So after the feature, you will see highlighted areas where most tickets are given. There's a higher frequency of tickets given at that particular place. Market size. According to Statistic Brain, in the US, for speeding tickets only, more than $6 billion are paid per year. And the team to implement this new feature will consist of two: Deep Varma, who has over 5 years of startup experience and has built engineering organizations from the ground up. Lastly, Jerry James Hunter will be joining us, who has several years of working with data centers and is a senior vice president of engineering at Snapchat. The cost of this feature. Waze is already established organization, so we only have to worry about the team's salary. Each person will be paid $150 an hour, and their total salary will come out to $162,000. An additional $3,200 will be paid for computers for them to work with, and it will bring the cost of the project to about $328,000. The schedule. The system is already laid out. The groundwork is done for us. We only have to add a couple quirks to existing features. Most of our time will go into three main parts, which will be developing a database for ticket information to be stored, developing a heat map feature, which is the visual part of the whole new feature, which will highlight areas where users get most of their tickets, and a beta testing period where inputs can input their data for whenever they get a ticket, so that we could have this feature running by its release date. So to recap, the problem is police officers are targeting drivers to meet a ticket quota. The solution is to build a heat map. The benefits from doing so is that users will avoid getting tickets, and it'll expand the life of every user's contribution to the system. In addition, the company will own useful data. So let's help users worry about the road and not their wallets. Thank you.